In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Afrobeat music in Suno AI. We'll start by setting up a great style prompt, then we'll generate original lyrics, and finally we'll build the full track in Suno. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and click the official website. We're going to use it to craft a style prompt that guides Suno's sound. In the chat box, describe exactly what you want. For example, you can write, generate an Afrobeats track with a joyful, lively mood, vibrant and groovy vibe, 105 BPM. The track features melodic male vocals with percussive drums, upbeat guitars, and layered harmonies. Specific details like mood, vibe, tempo, vocals, and instruments help Suno lock into the genre and feel you're aiming for. Hit submit and give it a moment to respond. When you're happy with the result, highlight the style prompt and copy it. Now, head over to Suno AI. On the main page, click Create. In the Styles field, paste the prompt you just copied. This tells Suno how to shape the rhythm, energy, and instrumentation so it feels authentically Afrobeats. Keep prompts concise but descriptive, and avoid pasting anything personal, only musical directions. Next, let's craft original lyrics. Switch back to ChatGPT. Ask it to write lyrics that fit Afrobeats and the theme you want. For example, write original lyrics for an Afrobeat song. The subject is about overcoming fear and match the genre. Submit your request and wait for the lyrics to generate. Feel free to change the subject to anything you like. Love, celebration, perseverance. Just keep the language rhythmic and chantable. When the lyrics are ready, copy them. If you can, format them with clear sections like verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. Suno often performs best when the structure is obvious. Return to Suno. Locate the lyrics field and paste your lyrics. Pairing a strong style prompt with well-structured lyrics gives the model everything it needs to deliver the groove, bounce, and melodic hooks characteristic of Afrobeats. If your lyrics are long, consider trimming repeated lines so they fit within any character limits without losing the song's core message. When everything looks good, click Create. Suno will begin generating your music. This may take a little time, so be patient. Once it's done, listen through. If you want a brighter feel, a different tempo around 100-110 BPM, or another vocal style, you can tweak your prompt or lyrics and try again until you hit the perfect vibe. And that's it. Your Afrobeats track, built in Suno AI from style prompt to finished song.